This video is about the discovery of a nucleus by Rutherford experiment. That is a classic experiment. We will discuss here defects and achievement of Rutherford's experiment. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel and if you are new, please hit this subscribe button. Let's start now. On the basis of experiment, Rutherford proposed a model of an atom, and by his experiment, the central portion of an atom is called nucleus. And with the experimental observation, he proposed the model as the nucleus surrounded by a number of electrons while the whole atom is neutral. The nuclear atom of Rutherford, it's a big step ahead towards the understanding of the structure of an atom. But the defects are the outer electrons surrounding the nucleus were unexplained, and also the behavior of electrons remained unexplained in an atom. Rutherford planet-like picture was defective and unsatisfactory. So the possibilities are electrons could be stationary, they would gradually be attracted by the nucleus and fell into the nucleus. The moving electron in the planet-like picture must be accelerated towards the nucleus. Spirally moving electrons, by losing energy on the path, would collapse according to the proposed Rutherford's atomic model. You can see the picture here, the electron moving around the nucleus in a spiral path. By losing energy, the achievement of Rutherford model was Rutherford opened a gateway to comprehend the atomic structure of an atom. Therefore, he proposed the model as the nucleus surrounded by the number. For stability of an atom, the electrons were proposed to be revolving around the nucleus in closed path. The conclusion is Rutherford experiment observation showed a model similar to solar system. For an atom carried no charge and was neutral. It means number of electrons were equal to number of protons. According to this theory, the electrons out could be stationary. That was not true for stable atomic structure because the stationary electrons were gradually attracted by the nucleus and ultimately fell into the nucleus. So, for the stable atomic structure, were proposed to have electrons moving around the nucleus in closed path. The behavior of electrons was unexplained in the Rutherford's atomic model. Rutherford's model was defective because in the picture, moving electrons were accelerating towards the nucleus. So the radius should be decreasing and ultimately the electron should fall into the nucleus and the atomic structure would be destroyed.